In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Upside Tasuki Gap Bull indicator quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this candlestick pattern set up on your Tradingview chart so you can spot bullish continuation signals more confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open for the market you're analyzing. It can be any symbol or time frame you like. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. In the search bar at the top of that window, type the word Tasuki. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern, just Tasuki is enough. Tradingview will automatically filter the available indicators and show you anything related to that term. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Among the results, look for the one called Upside Tasuki Gap Bullish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator that highlights a specific bullish continuation setup, often found in uptrends. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, Tradingview will add it directly to your chart. You should now see labels or markers appear whenever this pattern is detected in your price data. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator name in the chart legend and open the settings. There, you can adjust colors, visibility, or turn the indicator on and off without removing it completely. This can be helpful to keep your chart clean while still having access to the pattern when you need it. If you're finding this indicator useful and you're considering upgrading your Tradingview experience, check out my affiliate link in the video description for Tradingview Pro. Using that link is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, while unlocking additional chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and priority features that can make your analysis smoother and more efficient. And that's all you need to do. Click Indicators, search for Tasuki, select Upside Tasuki Gap Bullish, and you're ready to start using it in your trading workflow.